of course, you bring your own experience not only to movies, but also, you know, when you're a couple, you and Ranbir. I want to know what you. This is very funny because your experience to finances. Because our next segment is the Max Life Insurance. She is the different segment. So मैं कुछ situations दूंगी that.
You're already laughing.
Yeah, I'm already laughing that because I think most of the answers will be Ranbir. But anyway, I'm going to give you the placards and you have to say he or she in what situation, like, you know, dealing
He or
with
me.
finances.
Okay.
So he or me. Who's better at planning finances? He. See, I'm telling you, this is just going to go up. Who's better at communication? Texts, WhatsApps? Directly communicating. You. So you're
Yeah. He's very non-confrontational and like even if there's something to be communicated, it usually happens through me.
So everything is, yeah,
Yeah.
in that sense. Okay. Who's better at managing work and home?
Both.
Both are doing it well.
Both.
Okay. Yeah. He also, I'm sure about
Yeah.
that.
You know, he's actually a cat. Like, so he's very like particular about his space. So I won't say Ranbir only works and also and doesn't care about the house and the way it's functioning or his space. He's very into it.
Very into it.
And so am I. I'm a little bit maybe more into it with like just being on top of most of the things, but he's also very into it. I would say
Okay.
both.
This, I think it's him. Who's better at suggesting which business to invest in? You. Okay, I got that wrong.
My investments are very good.
Okay, but
Yeah.
these decisions you are taking or no?
I am taking. Like, I don't think he's taking as actively.
Okay. No, you are taking, like, you know, like you're reading the FT and or you know, like the Financial Times ke kya ho raha hai.
No, I'm
what's-
not reading the Financial Times and all. But
then-
like, I'm saying like investing in startups and stuff like that.
Okay, you are more active in
I'm
that.
more active in that. Something that I've maybe it's naturally been brought to me, so I've taken more keen interest in it, whether it's with Pool or you know earlier with other brands and stuff like that, Super Bottoms. Like these are all things where these investments have come to me and I love the story and I've invested in. I don't think Ranbir has gotten into
To that side of
side
it.
yet.
He's a
Like
little
he
old
knows
school.
yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, he's a little old school. I can figure that. Who's better at the social media game? I feel Ranbir is excellent at it, but he's just like
just hidden.
khufia on it.
So
So then you, yeah.
which social media game? Posting or stalking?
Yeah, that's what. Posting is you, stalking is him. So then we're sorted. And who's better at walking the ramp? You, na? I don't think he's interested. Like he looks like disinterested.
I mean, maybe I've walked more ramps, so maybe me.
Yeah, so you.
Yeah.
Okay, clearly. So then I think when it comes to family, I think both of them are really good at it. So you can, not bad.
Not bad.